Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po, good news dahil may malaking grupo ng mga obispo sa Roman Catholic Church na nagsalita na kontra sa People's Initiative ng House of Representatives. Sa isang statement na pinirmahan ni Bishop Virgilio David ng Diocese of Caloocan City, siya rin ang presidente ng CBCP. According to Eric, more than 70 bishops and archbishop ang nagmeeting para magpahayag ng statement na kumukontra, nananawagan ang mga obispo sa sangkatauhang Pilipino na magmatyag at huwag basta-basta pipirma dahil walang diferensya ang ating konstitusyon. Yun ang pahayag ng mga bishop, which I agree. Yung economic provisions, pwedeng mapalitan yon sa pamamagitan ng isang batas. Hindi na talaga kailangang amyendahan ang konstitusyon. So, maraming salamat sa mga obispo na nagbigay ng pahayag. Sana pakinggan ito ng administrasyon ni PBBM. Sana pakinggan ito ng mga leaders ng House para matigil na po ito dahil talagang maraming Pilipino, sinimulan na ang kampo ni former President Duterte, nag-rally na sila last Sunday na tinututulan nila itong People's Initiative nito. At salamat naman at ito sinigundahan ng Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines. Okay, so i-share ko sa inyo ang programa ng Laban Kasama ng Bayan kung saan pinaliwanag ni na Doc Loren Badoy, Ka Eric ang detalye sa pahayag ng CBCP.
Brother Franco, Ma'am Lorraine, sa isang mainit na balita coming from the Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines or CBCP.
Yes, umpisa natin yan, Ka Eric, at ito nga babasahin ni Ma'am Lorraine ang naging magandang pahayag ng CBCP.
So, sabi nila, as a nation, this is the CBCP statement about the People's Initiative on Charter Change. As a nation, we have a constitution crafted after our peaceful liberation from a dark period in our history. It was created to ensure the well-being of every Filipino citizen. As the former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Hilario Davides, said about our Constitution, quote, "It is the only Constitution that is pro-God, pro-Filipino, pro-people, pro-poor, pro-life, pro-law, pro-family, pro-marriage, pro-human rights, pro-women, and pro-environment," close quote. That is good. Therefore, any discussion about it is crucial and should not be taken lightly. Dear brothers and sisters, we are writing to you again regarding the charter change. We are concerned about the reports of signatures gathered across the country for a so-called People's Initiative. Many could sign for various reasons, but it is clear that their signing is not the result of a careful study and discussion. It seems that this People's Initiative was initiated by a few public servants and not truly from the initiative of ordinary citizens. If that is the case, it involves deception and disregard for our true and free participation in the democratic process of our country. Is that good? This is not a simple signature. By signing, you are giving our lawmakers the power to change our Constitution. The discussion may focus on economic aspects, but even senators acknowledge the possibility of broader changes if this People's Initiative succeeds. Some experts have already pointed out that addressing economic concerns can be done without amending the current constitution. Many economists and sociologists point out that our constitution is not the real hindrance to our progress. COMELEC has made a decision temporarily dismissing these petitions for the People's Initiative. However, we should not be complacent as there may be other attempts for this charter change. We will strive to initiate discussions about the Constitution and the issues facing our nation. Our hope is to reflect and decide for the genuine good of all. Our prayer is that we will not sign or agree to any petition without careful discernment, discussion, and prayer. Let us not allow such deceptive systems to continue, encouraging those who continuously exploit our nation. Truly, this is not good.
Ayun,
Signed by Pablo Virgilio S. David,
Yes.
the Bishop of Caloocan and the CPCP President on the 31st of January, 2024.
Correct. It was done, Ma'am Lorraine, Brother
Yeah.
Franco, in a very special meeting. Nag-uusap kami ni Ma'am Lorraine at ni Brother Franco before we got on board na ang CBCP is a collegial conferential body of bishops and archbishops ng pinakamataas sa buong organisasyon ng pinakamalaking religious group and community sa ating bansa, ang Roman Catholic Church. Hindi yan statement lamang ni Archbishop Virgilio David. Yan po ay statement ng humigit kumulang, I think there are 70 almost na mga obispo at arsobispo sa buong bansa, sa buong Pilipinas. At ito po ay nagsasalarawan ng tatlong mahalagang mensahe na dapat mapakinggan ng grupo nila Speaker Martin Romualdez at ng mga nagsusulong nitong maanomalya at iskandalosong People's Initiative to Change the Constitution, at sana mapakinggan din ito ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. sapagkat ang statement niya from his arrival statement from Vietnam, state visit niya, nakakabahala yon sapagkat nagkaroon na naman siya ng double talk, hindi malinaw na pahayag. Ano po yung mensahe ng CBCP? Sinasabi nila na ang konstitusyon ay hindi ang problema kung bakit may kahirapan at may problema sa ekonomiya ang ating bansa. Yan ay pwedeng gawin ng tama sa pamamagitan po ng mga iba pang legislation. And of course, idudugtong na lang namin. Tamang pamumuno at tama at decisive na political leadership that will implement the laws and will protect the welfare and interest of the people at ng buong bansa. Pangalawa, binanggit po ng CBCP, mga kababayan, Ma'am Lorraine and Brother Franco, na hindi po pwede ang panloloko at gamitin ang taong bayan para pakialaman ang isang, sabi nga ni Dean Arellano sa Davao, sa aming napakinggan nila Ma'am Lorraine, sa Leaders Forum sa Hakbang ng Maisog, the Constitution is the sacred social contract between the people and the government. Hindi po yan kontrata ng mga politiko for themselves. Yan po ay mahalaga para sa buong bayan sapagkat yan po ay nagsasalamin ng tungkulin at responsibilidad ng pamahalaan at mga obligasyon ng mamamayan upang hindi po magkaroon ng abuso at mga paglapastangan sa fundamental na pag-iral ng maayos na lipunan at pamamahala. Ang pangatlong binanggit ng CBCP, malinaw ang sinasabi nila. With all indications right now, it appears na there are elements of deception, manipulation, pagsisinungaling, and therefore they will never support any signature campaign or to sign up a petition na ang layunin ay nakabatay sa panloloko, panlinlang at manipulasyon at sisirain ang sagradong layunin at pagbubuo ng saligang batas. At naniniwala kami that the Constitution of the Philippines ay totoong pro-God, pro-family, pro-poor, pro-Filipino, and sa lahat ng konstitusyon dito lang makikita na talagang inilalagay dyan ang pangangailangan ng gobyerno na tugunan ang social justice at mga human rights ng mamamayan na dapat niyang pangalagaan. So, hindi po ito usapin ng konstitusyon. At napakahalaga po ng pahayag na ito ng CBCP, mga kababayan, sapagkat this is a major social influence sector na binabantayan natin at ngayon nagsalita na sila. Itigil na yan at yan ay pahayag na mismo ng mga lideres ng malaking grupo ng religious community. Ma'am Lorraine and Brother Franco.
Yun, at napakalinaw naman dahil, Eric, pero paalala natin dahil alam naman natin na minsan na rin na actually meron pa rin iilan na ginagamit nila ang reliyon, especially ang Catholic, sa kanilang panlilin lang. Kaya be aware pa rin po sa ginagawang mga propaganda ng CPP, NPA, NDF dahil alam naman po natin na posibleng gamitin din nila ito, ang PI, para sa kanilang mga propaganda, makapag-recruit ng iilan sa ating...
Wait, you mean to say the CPP, NPA, NDF pwede silang makisakay sa CBCP, sa statement sa Catholic hierarchy na napakagandang statement.
Yeah, napakaganda
diba?
kasi ma'am. This is one of the best thing that they can use. Pag may nakita silang, uy, magandang statement to. Eh, balimbing yan eh. Minsan kakampi yan kung nasaan sila, pero after nun, iiwanan. Like for example, Sumama na sila before kay
Martin Romualdez.
kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Pero nagkaroon ng PI, drop off sila. Okay,
Kasi
di ko ano yan.
unpopular.
Touch off,
Unpopular,
Unpopular na. Doon naman sila kung saan popular. Ito, nagsalita ang CBCP, uy, matunog to. Gusto ng mga Pilipino to. Pwede natin itong
Makaka-recruit
gamitin.
ako.
Yan.
At may solidarity statement na ang bagong alyansa Makabayan, Ma'am Lorraine,
Correct.
you are exact. Sa iyong pagtingin na masasakyan at magagamit nila itong statement ng CBCP to become popular sila sa taong bayan as sila ang alternative group ng kanilang tinayo na grupo na No to Chacha or No to Charter Change Coalition. Tama ka doon, Ma'am Lorraine at Brother
Yes.
Franco.
What was